Hi there, friends. Let's get ready to do some word work together. Before we start, we're going to warm up our brains and look at some of these activities to get ready to work with words. So let's look at rhyming first. Remember, rhyming is when we listen for the ending of a word and we look for another word that has the same ending. So if I gave you the word hen, what word might you come up with that rhymes with the word hen? Remember, it could be a real word or a nonsense word. Here's a couple for you. We might come up with a word like pen, men, wren. All of those words would rhyme with the word hen. Let's try another one. How about the word goat? Can you think of a word that rhymes with the word goat? It could be a real word or a nonsense word. So here are some of mine. Goat. Other words that might rhyme with the word goat could be coat, moat, soat, boat, rote. Did you think of one? Let's try one more. How about the word sunny? Can you think of a word, a real word or a nonsense word, that ends in the same way as the word sunny? Go ahead, give it a try. Here are some words I came up with. Sunny might rhyme with the words bunny, funny, money, honey, flunny, blunny. Those are all examples of words that rhyme with sunny. Let's talk about syllables real quick as our brain is getting ready to work with some sounds. We know that words are made up of parts, and so we call these parts syllables, and we can listen for the different syllables in words. We can clap those syllables out, or sometimes in class we pound out the syllables. How many syllables do you think is in the word barnyard? Let's try that one together. I'm going to clap it out. Barnyard. You're right, barnyard has 2 syllables. Let's try another one. How many syllables do you hear in the word galloping? Galloping. Let's clap that out together. Galloping. Galloping has 3 syllables. Good job. Let's take a look at this last word, bird. How many syllables do you hear in the word bird? Let's try to clapping it out. Bird. Bird has 1 syllable. You're doing great. Now I'm going to show you our sound cards, and when you see the letter, you're going to say the sound that that letter makes, and I'm going to say it with you. So let's start. A says ah, or what other sound can A make? That's right, A can also say its name. So A says ah and A. D, ing. ED can make 3 sounds. ED can say t, like in jumped. ED can say d, like in loved. Or ED can say id, like in the word needed. So ED can say t, d, id. S, isled, oast, scr. I and I. Very good. EA says E. And U. O. B. E. A. Sure. A. And where do we see this sound? We see AY making the A sound at the end of a word. Very good. We have 3 sounds here. ER says IR says and UR says These are those bossy R vowels. And remember, ER says most of the time. Qu, ow, k, all, stir, sm, fur, goal, r, pull, nd, mp, or, oi. And remember, oi makes the sound at the end of a word. OY says oi at the end of a word. Here we have our consonant LE sounds. Let's read down the list together. Coal, bowl, full, pull, tull, and goal. Very good. Oi. And where do we see this sound? OI says oi at the beginning or middle of a word. Very good. You just practiced all your sounds.